This is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to blur a part of video in Camtasia video editing software without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to blur part of a video in Camtasia video editing software. I'm going to give at least 2 examples so you'll be able to understand the concept of blur a part of video in Camtasia. Let's, for instance, this video right here, I want to blur some part where I was able to display my WhatsApp contact like this. So I don't want people to see all this WhatsApp number that was already saved. So how do we blur that? So what we will need to do is to head over to our toolbar in Camtasia. So you have to head over to annotations, or you press letter N on your keyboard, and from annotation you navigate to special. Then from special right here you have your blur. Okay, then what we want to do is to make sure we drag the blur from the frame to the we drag the blur to the timeline right here. Now, having dragged the blur, then we need to adjust the blur element from the screen of this video. So I want just part of this to be covered up, and I will use my arrow key on my PC just to move a little bit. Then I can expand it to the bottom. Then I can expand from here, from the top and straight down. So I need to blur that part. Then from the top also, I will make sure I expand to the top. Then I can simply enlarge it a little bit more. So this part has already been covered. Then right here we have blur element. So you can simply come to the blur element from 100%. You can simply turn it down. This is depends on how best you want the blur area. So you can see, so this is 41% and this is just 50%. Okay, so if you are satisfied with the percentage of the blur, then you are good to go. Or better still, you can make it 100%. So if you want to invert the blur, you can simply click on invert. When you invert the blur, it simply means that it's going to blur the area that was left out and keep the area that was blur, that was applied the blur physically. So if you want to remove the invert, just click on invert. Then the area you actually blur is going to be keep remain. Then you can drag the blur from where you need to start from the timeline. So that is just the area I want to blur. So I can simply take my play header back, then I'll press S on my keyboard just to cut the blur. I will select the back of it and then I'll click on delete. So let's play it. So you can see those area has been successfully blurred. Then we can simply expand the blur to the actual area we want it to reach. So just like what I'm doing right here. So if I move my playhead to this point here, so this is the area I want to cover. Then I can continue like that, move my playhead this way, and I still need to blur some of this area. So I will just drag the blur until I was able to satisfy with the area that need to be covered up with blur effect. Playhead to see if I was able to reach the actual area that I want to be covered. Okay, so we still need to cover some area. Okay, those area has been fully covered. Then where I want to make a type, I need to adjust my blur from that point. So what I need to do is to make my playhead to this point. Then I will make sure I select my blur effect. I'll press letter S on my keyboard. Then I will select the blur part. Then I'll make sure I drag this downward a little bit because I want those area at the top to appear in my video. So if I continue with my playhead, you see that some of the elements from the top of the blur from the top is still appear as far as this is concerned. So this is one of the example simple way to blur part of a video in Camtasia. So let's check out the second way by which you can use to blur part of a video in Camtasia. Welcome back to another example on how to blur a part of video in Camtasia. Alright, so the very first thing we want to do here is to head over to our tools bar right here. We go to, so the next thing we need to do is to go to our annotations. Then from here we navigate to blur. Then we have to double tap to have the blur effect in the clip in the timeline. So we have to drag the blur into the from the beginning of the video in the timeline like this. Then we make sure it expands all the way through the video, just like what I just did in the video. Next thing we need to do is to come to the screen right here. We have to adjust the blur to the particular area we want to blur. So like this one here, I want to blur the face of this particular boy in this video. Then we have to go to the blur property right here. We need to scale down a little bit. So then I have to adjust the area that I want to blur. Then I can simply rotate this blur right here. So for us to do that, we just need to make sure our cursor turn to this arrow black. Then we have to rotate right here like this. Okay, or better still, you can rotate from X, Y, Z right here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to scale down a little bit more. Then now we can simply select on the blur from the timeline and use our arrow key to adjust the area that we want to blur. Okay, now we can simply play the video and see how the blur effect is taking place from the video. Okay, so right here we need to adjust the blur from this section right here. So we have to make sure that we work on the blur adjustment right here. So then we need to make sure we define the blur at this section. For us to define the blur and adjust the blur from this section, we have to make sure the blur is active and move the playhead to that section. Then we press letter S. Okay, then we have to fall back to the division blur. Then we move our playhead to the backward. Then now we can be able to adjust the area we want to blur from the part right here. We just a little bit enlarge the blur from the screen right here. So we just need to expand the blur from the screen right here like this. So once we satisfy, then we can move our playhead again and let's see. So you can see it automatically blend with this one right here. Then this one here also we need to simply break it again. Then we have to fall back to the breaking one. Then we have to make sure we adjust the blur from the top right here. Then we can simply use our arrow key to adjust it to the face of the boy. Then the next thing we can do is to simply play the video and let's see. So you can see we have covered those areas. Then we still have some area that need to be covered. So right here we need to move the playhead and we select the blur right now on our keyboard. Then we have to select the blur part of the cutout. Then we simply enlarge it from here. Then we can move our playhead to the back and then let's see. So you can see every face of this boy is actually blur right now. Okay, so we can simply adjust the rest of the blur. So for us to do that, we simply need to cut the clip and make a proper adjustment. So right here we need to adjust this face right here. We just need to adjust it a little bit from the top right here. So we adjust like that. Then by the time we play the video, so it's going to automatically cover all the face of this particular boy. So this is how to basically use blur tool in Camtasia video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.